That's how the old sawmills work. This was the first sawmill in Michigan. I would have taken a video of the actual saw, but it took a long time, and I didn't know if you guys wanted to picture that. But water comes from over there down to here.
Close the gate up, turn off the water, stop the act. Over there to the light. Flat wheel is the tub wheel. You shoot water in it, spin it, and everything goes back.
That was to make the sawmill go forward, and this is to make it go back. Reverse.
Nothing to it. Actually pretty simple once you understand. Yeah. You guys have been a great audience. I enjoyed it.
Thank you. Thank you.